high wind warning for the following county: Wells, North Dakota. 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Where? Wells County. When? Until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. The following impacts are expected. High winds may move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Areas of blowing dust are possible. Additional details. Strongest winds will come during passage of a cold front and in any showers formed along this front. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind.